Did you know that including nationality on your CV is a hotly debated topic? While some see it as beneficial, others worry about potential discrimination. Let's explore why this detail is so contentious. In the UK, the Equality Act 2010 protects against discrimination. Employers can't ask for nationality unless it's job relevant. So, what are the benefits and risks of including this information on your CV? For international applicants, stating nationality can clarify work eligibility. It's crucial for roles requiring international mobility. Consider roles abroad where nationality is a norm. In such cases, mentioning dual citizenship can be advantageous. For most UK applications, nationality isn't necessary. Even with anti-discrimination laws, some prefer to omit it to avoid bias. Instead, focus on showcasing your skills and experience. Highlighting your expertise and achievements can make a stronger impact. Tailor your CV to the job description, ensuring it aligns with the employer's needs. This approach often outweighs the need to mention nationality. Customize your CV for different markets. Start with a master CV and adapt it for each application. This strategy ensures your CV is relevant and targeted, increasing your chances of success. Ready to enhance your CV? Focus on relevant skills and experiences. By tailoring your CV with CVMaker, you'll stand out to employers. Start today and make your application shine.